Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deanna. If you want to be a part of my crazy, please subscribe. And if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a clean with me video. I did 3 parts of the house, which was the master bedroom, my son's room, and our restroom. So starting off with my room, I first cleaned everything that was on the floor, picked it up, threw away the trash, put away what didn't belong in our room. As you can tell, I have baby slippers, a baby pillow that helps with tummy time. I had dirty diapers, everything. I have shoes there. So I picked everything up, and then I was trying to show you how crazy I am to have all those shoes out. Like, I don't know why I can't just use and put away, use and put away. No, I use and toss them anywhere. So next I went to my nightstand. So I'm just putting everything in its place. It was miscellaneous items. It's receipts. It's old cards from my wallet that I cleaned out that I don't think that I necessarily need in my wallet anymore, but don't want to throw away. And then I had, I don't know, I just had stuff on there. So I just ended up cleaning everything off of it. See there, I'm trying to decide if it's trash or not. Um, I don't think you realize how many cards you have until you actually go through them all, because everyone wants to give you a rewards card. It's insane. So here I am. That's me cleaning. I basically took them from the top and put them in that like divider thing. Perfect, Deanna. I was trying to decide here where I should put my crown that my sister had got me for my quote unquote 30th birthday. It hasn't hit yet, but we celebrated it in the beginning of the month, and so she got me that crown. Next, what I'm trying to do here is clean off the bed. So anything that doesn't belong on the bed. I think I had like bottles on there. I have my son's boppy on there, maybe some toys, and some clothes here that I want to hang up and put away that I've worn or was going to wear and didn't wear, or did wear and it's not dirty. So I'm just putting all those away. So here you see me, excuse me. So here you see me putting my shoes away. I have boxes for some of my shoes, and then I don't have boxes for other shoes. Why, you ask? I don't know. That's just how it goes. So I was just putting all away my shoes that were on my side of the bed. Then I was trying to fix those cubes on there. I had that bra hanging on like the frame, so I took it down. So here I am putting clothes away in the dresser that was part of the clothes that I was sorting out, is what I'm trying to say. Like, speak right, Deanna, speak right. So here I'm just refolding a shirt because I had it inside out because I was going to wear it one day and I think that I didn't wear it, but when I took it off, it was inside out. So I just folded it the right way. So today is the day that I was going to wash all of our sheets, all of our blankets. So I'm just gathering all that so I can get to that process. Next, I did our main dresser and I was just putting everything in its order. For some reason, wherever there's countertop and counter space, guess what? Crap is going to be there. Like, it never stays clean. If it's an empty space, I want to put receipts. I want to put, you know, I don't know, tags from clothes on there. Like, it's just nonsense. So here I am trying to clean my husband's nightstand to see the bottles are there. I know. So now I was also during this process washing laundry. And in this clip, I am just gathering all of our empty hangers. I first go on my side. I do my side first. No particular reason. I think it's just me. So I just go on my side first. And plus, I have more empty hangers than my husband does. So I just went through that. I took the time to clean it out too. I didn't need these specific shirts anymore, so I was gonna put them away. They don't need to be in my closet. So here I am looking at the bottom of the rack just to see if there's any empty hangers there. And then I think I was debating if I was going to look in his and then take mine to the garage or just take mine to the garage and then look at his. So I ended up taking him to the garage, coming back and grabbing his, and then going back to the garage. So here I am starting on my son's room. Here it was a mess. It's just a lot of blankets that were dirty. Like, we used so much. I don't know if I skipped a laundry day on his clothes or what, but like maybe it was more blankets than it was clothes. I don't know. No, it was actually equal amount. Um, but here I am just taking out the trash from the diaper genie, and then I was um, well, you know how it works. You have to pull the plastic part down, tie it in a knot so you have for your next trash. Here I am. I grabbed some laundry that my husband washed but did not put away. Thank you, husband. So I actually sat on this for a while. I think it was a week since it's been in this cubby. And I don't know if I was secretly hoping that he would do it, but he just never did. So I was like, fuck it. I'm going to do it. I'm cleaning. It's happening. So what I'm doing here is I'm going through his diaper bag first, just taking everything out, putting everything away. I didn't need it that particular day or even a couple days even after that. I didn't use it. So I want to make sure that I take everything out of it. Like if there's bottles or formula or clothes, burp cloths, burp rags, whatever, I want to put everything away to make sure that I use it. So here I just put it on our hook after I sorted everything out. Here I am just, I want to say filing. I'm just putting my son's clothes away in his dresser drawer. So I have a whole nother video on how I fold his clothes and how I organize his dresser that's coming up. So I'm in the middle of editing it. So here I am. I would not typically do this on his diaper changing, on this changing topper, but I wanted to get some sort of good angle, so that's why I did it on top of here. Usually I'd be on the floor or like on the couch or something doing this. But I didn't today for this video. And then here I am just putting away his bibs, his bath towels, and his washcloths. Each cubby actually has something in it. I can definitely go more in depth if you guys want to know, but I mean, it's nothing that exciting to me. But if you guys are wondering, I could definitely do that. So here I am just trying to get his crib in order. So I just took everything out of it and then, well, I mean like his blankets and stuff, and I moved that blanket there is where usually I have it. He's never slept with this comforter. I don't know if he ever will. It's really bulky and I don't know if I'm too okay with it. So here I am in the restroom. The restroom was a whole lot of shit. Like all this makeup is literally from making those Halloween videos that I made and from doing my makeup for work. So it was just a fucking mess. Okay, so now, because I want to clean the counter, I'm taking everything off of it because in this view, you can't tell, which I'm pretty thankful for because it's really embarrassing, but it was so dusty. Like, so dusty, so nasty. And I was like, oh God, Deanna, like, how could you? How could you? So, anyhow, I'm just wiping off um, the dust first with some, I don't know, Clorox, quote unquote, wipes. Next, I'm going in with a Lysol. It says it's for kitchen, but I don't understand why I can't use it for the restroom. um, so I just sprayed that on there, and then with a microfiber cloth, that's how I was wiping it down. So here next, I'm going to be showing you that I'm using another Lysol product, but this is for the toilet. So here I am taking a long ass time because I couldn't get it open. It's super child proof and super Deanna proof. I'm not going to show you like a zoom of how I clean the toilet, but so there I am wiping the counters. So in this video, I didn't show me sweeping or mopping, but that is what I did after. Oh, and vacuuming too. I didn't get those clips in only because I do have a 7-month-old and I get what I can. And then when he needs my attention, then I have to stop what I'm doing, deal with that, and then come back. And then I think I just never did. I just wanted to get stuff done. So sorry for the booty shot, but here I am. I use that same Lysol product for the kitchen. If you can see my fingers, kitchen, for the tub. I think it worked fine. I typically use Comet. I don't know if that's like an old school thing, but I didn't have any. So there I am. I finished. I did all the walls. I didn't show it. I cut it down. So I did the tub. I did the walls. and then I put everything back um, on their shelves. Excuse me, I burped. So now I'm just going to, I let that Lysol, soak in the toilet. So I'm just going to be cleaning it with that little, like, I don't even know what it's called, sponge scraper, whatever. So now I'm gonna be Windexing the windows. The mirrors. So I use Windex for the mirrors with a microfiber towel. I haven't always done this. I usually do paper towels. I don't know who I saw, where I saw, when I started this, but I started using those microfiber towels. And it wasn't the same one that I used before, it was a new one. So here I am. This was a lotion. It was a gift, and it had like a little I don't even know what you call it, but it was like a party gift that my husband had won. So I was just taking off the little decoration that they put on it, so I could place it on the counter. So here I am, just wiping my makeup mirror that I use in videos. And here I am just cleaning my son's bath bucket. So here he has his toys, his water pail, shampoo, that kind of stuff, his little like hairbrush. And then that's all I did in this video. But just a reminder, I did mop, sweep, and vacuum. I hope this gave you some motivation, and I hope you liked this video. Until next time, thank you for watching.